Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad that you click on this video. On this channel we talk about how to design your website and also develop your website, and also we also look at how you can leverage on technology to scale up your business. So in today's video I will be talking about HTML styles, that is how you can use CSS to style your HTML document. So what is the meaning of CSS? CSS means cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet. CSS help you to save a lot of work. It controls the layout of multiple web pages at once. So instead of writing multiple code, you can make use of CSS to control the layout of your web pages, not just one page, web pages. Okay, so CSS means cascading style sheet. It is used to format the layout of a web page. Okay, and we have three ways to achieve that. The first one is inline styling, internal styling, and external styling. Okay, for inline CSS is used to apply a unique style to a single HTML element. Let us go to our interface and see what I'm trying to say. So let us make use of p element and use style attributes. This is what we call inline CSS or inline styling. So let us give this one color, and inside here let me blue color. Then inside here let me type welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, save your work and check it out. Yeah, can you see welcome to my YouTube channel? Then you can use this to style any elements. Okay, you can use this to style any elements. Then when you talk about internal CSS, the second one, this one is used to define a style for a single HTML page. For instance, the name of this page is index4.html. so this is a single HTML page. So internal CSS is used to define a style for a single HTML page, and internal CSS is defined in the head section of an HTML page. So this is the head section. Now this is the head. From here to here is the head section. So if we want to do that, we make use of the style element. So this is the style element. You type it style, then you write all your CSS code inside this style element. Okay, so for instance, let us say we want to style the body of this page, and we can give it background color, okay, background color of powder blue. Okay, and also let me make use of h1 here, h1 element, and type welcome back Esther. Okay, so this h1 also, I can style this h1 by coming here, h1, and type color. Let me type blue. Okay, then the p element, instead of using inline, I can also style my p element here by typing, okay, let me come here, p element, by typing color red. color red. Okay, let me save my work and see the results. Okay, so can you see now we have styled our background, the body of our HTML page, the H1 and the paragraph elements. Okay, so this is what it's called internal CSS. It is used to style a page. Okay, so let us look at the external CSS now. External CSS, and external CSS is used to define the style for many HTML pages. HTML pages, that is more than one page. Okay, so if you want to achieve that, you create another file called CSS in your CSS folder. So let me create another file, new. Let me save it and call it my style 2, because I have one there already. My style 2.css. Let me save it inside CSS folder. Save. Okay, so I will now come to my HTML page and use the, let me clean this so that I can understand, and use the link element. You put the link element in the S section also, link element. Okay, so our CSS file that I just created, my style 2.css, we now put it here. Okay, but this my style 2.css is inside a folder called CSS folder. So this is how to achieve that. So you type the folder name first, CSS, followed by the CSS file name. Okay, so you save your work, save. So this is what I will do. I will not make use of internal CSS styling again. So all this one now, let me copy this one first, copy this one, or let me just cut it and paste it here, and paste it here. Okay, okay. So let me save my work, save this one too. So we don't need this one again, we don't need this internal styling again. Save your work again. So go and check it out, refresh. Can you see now we still have the same results? Okay, but this one is called external styling. So the external styling can be written in any text editor, that although we are making use of Sublime Text here. Okay, so the file must not contain any HTML code. This CSS file must not contain any HTML code or HTML element, like let me putting it inside a style element like this. Okay, put it inside a style element like this. It won't work. So it must not contain any HTML code and must be saved with a .css extension. Can you see my CSS file now? .css. So this one is not valid here. So another tip I want to tell us that with an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing one file. So if you want to change the look of an entire website, you just come to your style sheet and change them one by one. Okay, change them one by one. Then another thing I want to tell us is that you can also make use of font family, font size inside your CSS file. You can make use of all the CSS properties in this world in your CSS file. Okay, like this H1 now, we can change the font family font family. So let me say Verdana. Then the font size to 160 pixels. So save your work and check it out. Can you see now? More bigger. Welcome back, Esther. So let me also make some adjustment to the P elements. Let me say font family Korea. Then font size 300 160. Font family. Let me type 300 pixels, or let me just copy this one. Okay, let me change this one to 160 and this one to 300. Save your work and check it out. Can you see now? This one has changed to Verdana. This one is Korea, and the font size has also changed. Okay, so you can make use of any CSS properties in your CSS file. This is your CSS file now. So you can make use of any CSS properties like color, font family, font size. Understand? You can also make use of border. Let's assume that I want to give this P element border. I'll just come here, border. So let me use 2 pixels, solid, then powder blue. Save your work and check it out. Let me reduce this side to 20, then this one to 16. Let me save my work so that I can see what I'm saying. Okay, I give it powder blue. It will not show because the background is powder blue. So let me change this one to black. You will see what I'm saying now. Black. Save. So can you see now? Can you see the border now? So you can make use of all the CSS properties you know in this world, okay, in your CSS file. You can also make use of padding. Here, there's another property called padding. Padding will give space around your text. Let me say 30 px. Okay, save your work, then say refresh. Can you see? We will now have space around the welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is all about styling your CSS HTML documents. We have so many CSS properties. We have margin, we have border, we have so many CSS properties that you can use in your CSS file. So in today's video now, we'll talk about different ways to style your HTML page. Number one is using inline styling, internal styling, and external styling. So if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will attend to your question. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also hit on the notification button so that you can get alert on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.